So today we're gonna play Time Bomb Ankle Breaks. How do I do it again? This one. Yes. Let's just pick one. I'll pick this one. Let's go. This one. Come to me. Why not me? Yes, come here. Y'all better come here. Yes. What? I'll go here. No. I own this. No, it was mine. It was mine. Fine, let's try again. Let's try again. This one. Come here. I want your love. Oh. I want your love. Why do I get the ball? Wow. Okay, that was a bad idea. That was a bad idea, boy. Ow, shit. Be quiet, guys. I'm playing. No! How did I get up? Okay, that's it. Have this. You better. Oh, boom. Have it up. No! I got you. Patay, gaba ka. Inis ko, si ay. Wala man dyan inibuot. Okay, Ashita trying to win. Okay, continue. Okay, guys, so let's continue our journey. Oh, this one. I want to go here. Let's be ready. I'm ready. Bet. One hand challenge. One hand challenge. One hand. Haha, that did. To be ready, 5.5. Okay, we're going up to our tool. No! Okay. Okay, she win. Okay, people, so we lose. I'ma try again. No, taga Pilipinas sila. Pilipinas yarn. Join free. This. I'm so noob. I'm so noob. I'm so noob. I'm so noob. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Singapore. I will give it to me. Okay. Habit. Oh, that was too noob. I am so new. Oh, I did everything. Praise the Lord. It's okay. That's a fun. Praise the Lord. That's why I again. Why did I choose this map anyways? Rest in peace, Bacon. Oh, habit. No. Yes. Yep, habit. That was inappropriate. Rip bacon. Yarn. Here. Oh, again. Of course it's gonna jump down. Of course it's gonna jump down. I died. Last round. Whoever wins. Or lose. Okay. Hi guys, so I died in today. I think that's all for today's video, and you can call me a noob if you want to. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe so I can face reveal. We need 100 subscribers. And goodbye. Thank you.